Imagine landing in a bustling city where your physical credit cards and cash are virtually useless. In many regions,
I
digital
found it.
wallets have become the
I'm at the address
primary
now.
way to pay for everything,
Everything looks
from a
good,
street snack to a
just as we
taxi
planned.
ride. If you're planning an international trip, you may wonder if you can register for local payment apps like Alipay. The answer is yes. You can register using an international phone number and a valid passport, making it an essential tool for a seamless experience. To get started, download the app and select the international version. The verification process requires a clear scan of your passport and a facial recognition check. To avoid common frustrations, ensure you're in a room with natural light, as glares on the document often lead to rejection. Once verified, you can link your international credit cards directly. While this is convenient, keep in mind that transactions exceeding 200 RMB typically incur a 3% service fee. Many travelers manage their budget by keeping individual payments below this threshold. It is vital to complete this setup before your departure, as verification can take up to 24 hours. Taking these steps early ensures that your arrival is stress-free and you're ready to explore the moment you land.